Here's how to mark an email as unread in Gmail using the 2026 method. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Now, locate the email you want to mark as unread. You can do this from your inbox or any folder like Sent, All Mail, or Promotions. Hover your mouse over the email, but don't open it. Click the small checkbox on the left side of the email. Once selected, look at the top menu and click the Mark as Unread icon. It looks like an envelope. Another way is to open the email first. Then click the three dots at the top right and select Mark as Unread from the menu. And that's it. The email will now appear as unread in your Gmail inbox. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials.